Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. So let's start with today's fresh metal updates. Precious metal update. Gold prices have faced several headwinds this week amid US CPI report showing disinflation process continuing. However, Fed Powell had commented during the FOMC meet that they remain less confident about the progress of inflation. Moreover, the latest NFIB Small Business Optimism Index survey for May showed that businesses are struggling with higher prices and access to cheap financing, indicating slowdown in business activities persisting due to higher interest rate. Technically, for gold, intraday support in futures is around 70,900 and 70,500. Resistance is seen around 71,600 and 71,900. Coming to energy update, despite positive signal from OPEC Plus, other market indicators presented some headwinds for oil markets. Overall, considering sufficient supplies, we expect oil prices to remain under downside pressure. WTI oil faced stiff resistance near $79 or 80 levels. The current CMP is 78.50. Technically, for crude oil futures in intra support is around 6,440 and 6,320. Resistance is around 6,580 and 6,660. Continuing with base metals, copper prices remain in downtrend. Given a decent correction has already taken place, the fall could further slow with two-way movements in prices. On one hand, US equities are recording highs, but on other hand, there are signs pointing to US slowdown. From China, investment banks have upwardly revised the China growth target for 2024. However, China data such as PMI, credit growth, real estate investment, house prices, inflation, and commodity inventories indicate that growth is cooling. Copper prices for intraday futures is around support is around 850 and 843. Resistance is around 864 and 868. On currency front, the short-term dollar strength could be limited, given the weak CPI and PPI, which now expect to mirror to lower PCE inflation can help cause Fed rate cuts. Rupee continues to push against the resistance at the top end near 83.50 of the current range, which is 83.30 to 83.60. But FOMC outcome is not enough as a strong trigger which let USD INR have a durable jump. For today, economic data are most importantly Bank of Japan deciding their monetary policy and interest rates. US consumer sentiments and US inflation expectations are expected to release today. So that's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.